Hello YouTube, this is my video bike check. We'll start here. These are some Duo-Doyle grips with one bar end. The other one got lost. DK Crazy 8 bars. Shadow Conspiracy Strike top load stem. Really like the top load, it makes the bars feel taller. Verde Cartel 2 Corrali green forks. Primo N4FL front hub. Alienation Deviant rim. Maxxis Miracle tire. And Primo spokes. Have the 21-inch premium Death Trap frame. Have the Aaron Ross rippable seat. It's pretty cool. Has a keyboard on it. It says Odyssey, Aaron Ross, all that. Fit down low seat post with a silly band. Got the United sprocket. Stolen mob cranks with Colony Fantastic plastic pedals. We have the Shadow Interlock V2 highlighter blue chain. Duff sticker. Stolen Revolt back wheel. Came on my stock bike. Haven't broken anything yet, so I haven't got anything new. Revolt rim, semi-sealed back hub. Yeah, crap. And Maxxis Miracle, or no, not Miracle. Grifter folding back tire. Hope you enjoyed my bike.